What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jaquan, back in another video at Leaf Fashion. And yo, today I picked up the new, well, I didn't really pick them up, they just came in the mail. The black and red version of these, the black and Castle Rock versions, which I told you about when I did the unboxing for these. I said I was gonna pick those up, and they finally came in. So, and I finally had the time to pick them up, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing now. Yo, this is the box right here. If you've never seen a patch when you unbox, if you never picked none up and you're trying to think about picking some up, they come in like these retro looking boxes. I think it's like the same design used to come in a long time ago, but I remember when these came back out, 2013, I picked up the Jamaica ones, and I picked up these, the NYX colorway also, and the NYX colorway 33 highs. So yeah, I'm a Ewans fan all day. So now we're gonna open it up. We're gonna start right here. I got a size 11. See, as you see the picture, so they fit true to size. I never had no sizing problem, but when you first wear them, you gotta break them in because they fit. They feel like they small, but they're not. If it makes sense. So take the top off. You'll read it with the 33 high paper. So now they take, for the detail and the price that you pay for these shoes, they do a lot of detail and good quality on the shoes, and that's why I recommend buying these or anything else like Nikes, Adidas, whatever, because they different and not that many people have them. I mean, you gotta actually really like these type of shoes. It's kind of remind you of like Air Forces type, but yeah, they're dope. So pull it over. You're going to be greeted with the shoe. I have not seen them yet, so it's crazy. I used to have those. I rebought these. So these are the second models that they just came out with earlier this year. So yeah. So now these are the ones I should have picked up first. I had picked up the NYX colorway. I had the black and orange and blue, and I had the white, orange and blue. And I didn't get these. These are the only one out of the four that was released that I didn't get. And yo, these are fire. See, it has the gray accent on the side. And this is right here is like nubuck or suede. It feels real good. It looks real good. I'm gonna have to try to keep these real clean. And these are something you might not want to wear in the rain or a place where people are gonna be stepping on your shoes. But yo, first I wanna go into the detail. The suede is nice. Like if you can see it right here. These are buttery. These are fresh. I like this, and this is like the same fabric. I don't know what fabric. I forgot what this was, but it's on pretty much all the shoes. It's got that same thing, Ewans 33. Now I'm gonna show you the difference between those and these. Now, these, the leather is white. I know I need to clean them. I wore them like a couple times, but the leather is white. And this part right here is like a nubuck. And this, no, actually, yeah, it's the same thing, but it's this one gray. I like the gray better. And that's the same side. The main difference is leather, and this is suede or nubuck, whatever which one they chose to pick. I can't really tell the difference no more, but yeah, they are dope. And this comes with the basketball, of course. I used to wear these on there until I lost the ones with the 33 highs. I lost the ones with the NYX. Actually, I was wearing them in school. I lost them in school, and I found it. So I was walking around the track and I lost it, and then I was playing basketball. I lost it, but then I found it later. Actually, somebody found it for me and they gave it back to me because they knew. Because I was pretty much the only person, literally the only person wearing these shoes in school. So, and that's like 2014. So yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. And it tells you about the design of the shoe and everything. And these are good cops. So if you're gonna pick these up, I think they price around 120. I think they 99 right now, because when I copped them, like when you first get them, they like 120 and they go down to like 99. I think these are 99 right now, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that's a good price for these shoes, good quality. You can play basketball in these and they will not mess up. I really play basketball in these a lot, like these versions, and they still look good quality. So I might pick up a second version of these, just have them like extra, because I know how they are. When they release something, they don't release it for a couple more years, and that's it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. More videos on the way, more unboxings. I'm gonna getting into Jordans. Well, back to Nike. I stopped with Nike, and I went to like Adidas, and I started rocking a lot of Adidas. But I think I'm gonna start picking up some more Nike products because I mean, might as well. It's been a long time. And yeah, I'm your boy Jaquan. Catch you guys later. Peace.